How to update Instagram app to get the map features. Open Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Instagram. If an update button appears next to the app, tap it. If it says open, your app is already up to date. Your phone will download and install the latest version. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once updated, open Instagram, then go to search icon, search your location, then tap see more. The map feature should now appear. If you still don't see it, restart the Instagram or restart your phone. Make sure your account is public or professional, as some features are limited to this account. And that's it. Updating Instagram gives you access to cool features like the map. If this video helped you, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.